Hi, today I'm Friday Lenovo Tab M9 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should open the control panel and find here the screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and before starting your recording you'll see here record audio switcher. Now a switcher that is turned off, this means that all of your screen recordings they will be muted. Just to use the system on the device audio or to use the microphone, you should click to the switcher to activate this option, and after that you could select the device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone together. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.